Hey guys, I'm just here to tell you guys about the iPod Touch 2G jailbreak. If you get your iPod Touch 2G screen just looking like this, let's see if I can get that clear to go in. Well, if you get it looking like that, just instead of like freaking out trying to unbrick it or anything, because if you'll plug it into your computer, it'll sense it on there, but you won't be able to restore it or anything. Don't freak out, just re-jailbreak it, put it back into DFU mode, re-jailbreak it, do all the same steps, and it should be good as new. It's better than having to shell out 100 or 230 some bucks to go get a new one. So don't freak out, just re-jailbreak it and everything should be okay.